These are treasured moments, because while glorifying the Lord, He is present. He is present and He is enjoying the pleasure of His devotees in discussing topics relating to His service. We don't have the real taste, what nectar there is for those who are really pure, the Paramahamsas, who can relish these pastimes fully. When one is freed from all material conception and attachment, he becomes much more, or he becomes really capable of tasting this nectar. We who are conditioned souls, we are simply getting drops from that ocean of nectar. But those drops are like oceans in themselves. Even the great devotees and demigods are relishing so much the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya. One day, Lord Shiva began to meditate on the pastime of Lord Gauranga, the golden avatar, distributing his love of God without consideration of qualification or disqualification. And he just began to just bubble with joy. He started to laugh and laugh. And Parvati, his good wife, she was amazed at why is Lord Shiva laughing? What is happening? So she asked that Lord Shiva, Mahadev, why are you laughing? What are you thinking about? And he said, I am just thinking about Gauranga, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Parvati said, just hearing that name, my hairs are standing on end. Whose name is it? What is this? What is this person? Just by hearing his name, I'm becoming excited. And then he told how this Krishna has gone and assumed the form of his own devotee, and with his associates engaging in Sankirtan, distributing freely to everyone love of God. And she became very anxious. So where can I meet him? Well, he's due in several million years to come in Kali Yuga. She was, no, but I want to see him now. I don't want to wait till Kali Yuga. So, well, she said, if you go to his birthplace and worship there, he's always manifesting his eternal pastimes at his birthplace. Although now is Satya Yuga, it is a long time before he is to come. But if you go to his birthplace and worship his holy name, if he is so kind, he can appear to you. He is always present in his holy dham. So Mother Parvati immediately got on her mystic carrier and flew from the sacred abode of Kailash on the border of the material and spiritual world, the bank of the Vairoja river. And she descended into the material world, over which she is the supreme energy. And she descended to the holy land of Sri Mayapur Dham and took shelter in a beautiful grove of auspicious fruit-bearing trees. And she began to do penance of chanting Hare Krishna, chanting Lord Gauranga, Jai Gauranga, Jai Gauranga, Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya. She chanted his holy name again and again and again, anxious to have his transcendental darshan. Finally, Lord Chaitanya had mercy upon Mother Parvati, Durga Devi, and he appeared to her in his beautiful golden form. And she became ecstatic and offered all kinds of respect and obeisances. So she prayed to Lord Chaitanya that, my dear Lord, you are freely distributing love of God to everyone without considering their good or bad quality. You are freely giving. What about me? When will I get the mercy? I am simply have the service to put everyone in illusion who turns their face from you. But these fallen souls, they're being delivered and given ecstatic love of Godhead. When will I get this mercy? Won't I get the mercy from you, who are the most compassionate of all avatars of Krishna? So then Lord Chaitanya, he had mercy upon her and explained to her that you are my energy and you are coming expanded from the Yogamaya. Ultimately, you are expanded from Srimati Radharani, my greatest devotee, an eternal consort. So today, being her expansion, may you experience the ecstatic love that she experiences for me. Then he showed his 6-arm form. 2 arms of Lord Gauranga, 2 arms Krishna, and 2 arms of Ramachandra. And Mother Durga experienced complete Krishna prema. She forgot all about Lord Shiva at that time. So, of course, Lord Shiva is coming from Krishna.